Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2. We'll present the demo data of our company, Case and Chamco, that have been prepared by our group members. Our group members represented by Azrin Farisha Azhar, Kamilia Adilah Abdul Muttalib, Nur Afrina Aisyah Muhammad Rosli, Nur Akisha Hassan, Nur Dini Izzati Muhammad Safwan, Nur Farisha Nadira Yahya, and Nur Raina Fatihah Shamsudi.
The company that we create is caseandcharm.co. The company was established on the 1st January 2023 and the headquarters was located in Puchong, Selangor. We sell phone accessories that consist of phone grips, phone case with layers, phone case with stand, phone charms and screen protector. Caseandcharm.co consists of General Manager Mr. Muhammad Shukri, Sales and Marketing Manager Mr. Muhammad Shafi, Head of Accounting Department Ms. Azrin Farisha, and accounting staff consists of Ms. Kamilia Adilah, Ms. Nur Afrina, Ms. Nur Dini, Ms. Nur Farisha, Ms. Nur Akisha, and Ms. Nur Aina.
For the first table, which is product table, the attributes is product list ID, product type, product design, cost per unit, selling price per unit, and profit per unit. Next is customer table. The attributes for this table is customer ID, customer name, customer address, customer email, customer phone number, race, age, marital status, and preference shopping platform.
Furthermore, as for the shop table, the attribute is shop ID, shop name, shop address, shop phone number, shop email, manager name, operation days, social media platform, and lastly, sales channels, whether it is online or in stores.
Next, the attributes for our salesperson table is salesperson ID, shop ID, salesperson name, age, gender, salesperson IC number, salesperson phone number, salesperson address, salesperson email, qualification, and salary.
Invoice table. The attribute for this table is invoice ID, customer ID, salesperson ID, date, purchase platform, and payment method.
And the last table is product list table, and the attributes is invoice ID, product list ID, product ID, quantity, price per unit, total amount, cost per unit, total cost, and profit. In this table, we use the formula of X lookup in price per unit and cost per unit to make the progress of filing up the table in fast and easy way.
Based on the data, we identify the active and passive data. First, for our product table, the active data is cost per unit, selling price per unit, and profit per unit, while the passive data is product list ID, product type, and product design. For the product list table, the active data is quantity, price per unit, total amount, cost per unit, total cost, and profit. And the passive data is invoice ID, product list ID, and product ID. Furthermore, for the invoice table, the active data is date, while the remaining data, invoice ID, customer's ID, salesperson ID, purchase platform, and payment method is the passive data. Lastly, for our customers, shop, and salesperson table, all the data is the passive data.
As for the relationship, this is the relationship that has been made based on the ERD provided in the question. The relationship between entities for the customer and invoice, invoice and product list, product and product list, and salesperson and product list is one-to-many. The relationship between entities for the invoice and salesperson and shop is many-to-one. For the customer table, there is only primary key, which is the customer ID. In invoice table, the primary key is the invoice ID, and there are two foreign keys, which is customer ID and salesperson ID. Next, in the salesperson table, the primary key will be the salesperson ID, and the foreign key is the shop ID. For shop table, there is only primary key of shop ID. Furthermore, in the product list table, the primary key is the product list ID, and the foreign key is invoice ID, salesperson ID, and product ID. Lastly, the primary key in product table is the product ID.
you.